What I do here now is I measure first the water. I'm using a mineral water because that is the one that I got here at home. Normally distilled water, but you can use also mineral. So I'm looking for 342, and I will get a little bit out of this to mix into my turmeric. So come on, I'm looking 42. So now I will scoop the beautiful curry. I mean, it's not a curry, it's a turmeric powder. And I'm gonna put it here. And I will add a little bit of water to dissolve this one. Okay, just to dissolve it. And I mix it. I think I need more. And the rest of the water I'm gonna mix with my hydroxide. Alright, so I think this one is ready. So I set aside this one for now. Okay. Now it's time to have a safety first. We normally need to use a gloves to protect ourselves to the sodium hydroxide because it's quite acidic. If you get in your skin, it can burn you, but don't worry, it's very safe into the soap because when it combined to the soap, it form into new chemical. It's no longer acidic. So we'll put this one and this one. So I'm measuring now the sodium hydroxide. I'm putting there. I'm looking for 144. That one is a little bit, so we just reduce it. Yeah, that's perfect. After getting this all set, what we do is we mix the water in the sodium hydroxide into the water. Always add your sodium to the water, not opposite, not the water, because this one is like a baking soda that it can explode. So after putting there, we're going to stir it. So while my lye is cooling, I'm going to prepare my oil. This one is the shea butter I got from Abuja. I can link the website later on the description below. And this one is quite very nice. I love this one. And because I live in Africa, so this one is not expensive. If I live in the Philippines, for sure will be. Yeah, so I'm looking for 50 grams, a little bit more. Yeah, that's good enough. So, and I would like to add sunflower oil. So when I put in the microwave, it's going to be easy to dissolve. So I'm gonna put a little bit less. 55 should be fine. But I'm sticking to the rules. Okay. I always put over a little bit, so that's good. So let's put in the microwave. Okay, now my oil is dissolved. I microwave for 1 minute, and I'm going to add now my pumice olive oil. I got this one into one of the supplier in Abuja. They don't have a website, so I will just link on a Facebook page if in case somebody is watching from Abuja, so they can find this supplier. And I'm looking for 550. Getting there. A little bit. Oops. Alright. So anyway, 554 is not too bad. We'll just add this coconut oil with the same supplier. So this one is only 250. Okay. So 230. I think I will put a 4 here. That's right, perfect. Because the 4 grams is credited to the pumice. So yeah. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is everything is ready. I put about my temperature is about 33 to 34 degrees Celsius, what I mean. So what I'm going to do is I put this one first into my oil, and because I don't want to have lots of whatever is inside there, so I want that one to be zipped nicely and clean everything nicely. And I'm going to put my lye solution to have this one. See, it color. That's why I don't mix together these two, because of that. So let's see. My little dog is getting hyper, seeing things, I think. So let me see. It seems like all my paste is good. Anyway, so I decided to add this all. I added one and continue with my lye. Okay, so okay, so what I do is I'm gonna use a stick blender to blend this nicely. Okay. I want to blend this one really good. As you can see, the color is very nice. I think it's orangey, but it's still going to change the color in the curing process. I only use a vegetable oil for the health benefits, for the skin benefits. As you can see now, is having now a light trace, and I think I'm about to put my essential oil now to mix nicely all together. But I still want to really incorporate everything there. Okay. See now, so this one is my essential oil. I'm sorry, I'm on the camera, so I'm going to incorporate everything nicely. Oh, this one is really thickened quickly. I need to work hard. That's the problem when it's working with the herbs like that. The butter always thicken nicely, very quick. And I don't want to press my blender, because again it's going to become very thick and it will be very difficult for me to work on it. So I'm only using a vegetable oil for the skin benefits, and I never use a lard or animal fat. I don't like that one to rub on my skin. Or I'm not selling my soap, but if I'm going to sell, I will never use that. So I like to use a natural product, because I believe natural is best for the health in skin. Okay, so I think this one is about to, let me give some one still. Okay, so that one is done. One is really looking good. It's thick. Smells so good. Yeah, so it's raining outside. What I like to do is I just want to design a little bit. Now I'm already unmold my soap after next day. So we're going to cut now. As you can see, it's a beautiful color from the very bright yellow orange into very light. So yeah, all right, so let's cut this soap nicely. Just okay, it's quite nice. Alright. Oh, it's quite nice. So, see, it's perfect. I like it. Alright, you can see it. Very nice. I think I like I always like the pastel color, and I thought I'm going to have a problem yesterday when I put my turmeric and save it, but I think next time what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put straight my turmeric to infuse into the oil, because it made me feel difficult yesterday after putting into the water. So here it is. Now you can see it's a beautiful color. So I hope you learned something today, and I hope you enjoy my small tutorial, and I hope to see you too in my next video. So I hope that you and I learn together and grow together. Thank you for watching.